Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google with the account that owns or manages the ads account. This gives you immediate access without extra setup. Once signed in, go to Ads. Google.com or open Google Apps and choose Google Ads. Make sure you select the correct account if you manage multiple clients. If you see a manager account, MCC, click into the child account you want to view. This step ensures you land on the right dashboard where campaigns and data will appear. Now move through the ads interface. Click Overview for a summary or campaigns to see specific campaign lists. Once there, set the date range at the top to view the period you need. This narrows results immediately. Then apply filters and segments to isolate campaigns, ad groups, or keywords. Make sure to customize columns to show metrics like clicks, cost, and conversions so you can read performance at a glance. These steps reveal the data that matters and let you compare performance quickly. Finally, preview actual creatives by opening ads and extensions or using the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool so you see how ads render without accumulating impressions. If ads aren't showing, check campaign status, budget, billing, and policy notifications. These often block delivery. Use change history and diagnostics to trace recent edits or disapprovals. If problems persist, clear filters, try another date range, or contact Google Ads support from the Help menu.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.